Do you prefer cold brew coffee, but you don't really know how to make cold brew coffee into a bulletproof coffee? Well, I've got a recipe for you. Let's go. Before we get started, please remember to like this video and comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me. This video was actually a suggested video, and I'm really glad this person suggested it because I have found a new way to enjoy my coffee. I would have never made this video if it wasn't for them, so thank you for that. And also, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and you want to see more videos from me. Oh my God, that rhymed. I didn't even mean for it to. All right, let's get started before I get even cheesier. The first thing you need to grab is a mug. So you want to use your mug instead of just throwing it all into the glass that you're going to put your ice in, because it's just a lot better. I have found that if you just pour the coffee straight on the ice, it just tastes so much better. I don't know why, it just does. So yeah, grab a separate mug. The first ingredient you need is butter. More specifically, grass-fed butter. Now you want grass-fed butter over the normal stuff because it contains higher levels of omega-3, plus it contains a really awesome fatty acid called butyrate that helps boost your metabolism, and it contains beta-carotene, which is really good for your eye health. So stick to grass-fed butter when you can. Now, if you are lactose intolerant, you can try grass-fed ghee because it doesn't have lactose, but you still get the great benefits. So give that a try if lactose upsets your stomach. The next ingredient you need is vanilla bean powder. Now, I prefer to use vanilla bean powder over vanilla extract because A, the flavor, and B, it contains some really great anti-inflammatory properties, as well as helps relieve stress, and it just tastes really good. So that's why. But if you don't have it, you can use vanilla extract. Add in your monk fruit sweetener. Now you can use as much or as little as you want here. It's totally your taste preference. Add in your cinnamon, preferably 100% organic Ceylon cinnamon if possible, because it helps regulate your blood sugar. It also helps fight inflammation, and it tastes so good. Add in your MCT oil. Now, if you don't know what that is medium chain triglycerides, and it's really good for weight loss. It's really good for suppressing your appetite. If you are hungry in the morning, you can just throw that in your coffee and it should last you quite a few hours. It's also really good for your brain health as well as other things. So give it a try. However, be very careful if you're having it for the first time because it can upset your stomach if you have too much too quickly. So instead of having a tablespoon right away, maybe try a teaspoon and slowly, gradually go up to a tablespoon. Trust me, you do not want to just have a full tablespoon of MCT oil if you're not used to it. I have been there and it was not fun. Now pour your hot water into your mug and whisk it all together using a milk frother, or if you don't have a milk frother, you can use your blender. Now, while you're mixing, you need to slowly pour in your cold brew. If you're using a milk frother, just keep frothing away and pour it in. If you're using your blender, just slowly pour it in while it is blending. Now grab your glass with your ice in it and pour your coffee on top of your ice. And then you are good to enjoy your morning cold brew vanilla latte coffee. All right, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.